Most people dream of becoming rich, but very few actually achieve financial success. Why? Because they keep making the same three mistakes over and over again. If you want to break free from financial struggles, pay close attention. The rare first reason people stay poor is bad money habit. They spend money as soon as they get it. No savings, no investments, just expenses. Think about it. If you always spend every dollar you earn, how will you ever build wealth? Rich people don't just make money. They know how to manage it. They create budgets, track their expenses, and most importantly, invest a portion of their income. If you want to build wealth, start by controlling your spending and making your money work for you. The word second reason is relying on only one source of income. Most people have a 9-to-5 job and depend entirely on their salary. But what happens if you lose that job? Rich people don't put all their eggs in one basket. They create multiple income streams, whether it's investing in stocks, real estate, freelancing, or running an online business. More income sources mean more financial security. If you're serious about becoming financially free, start looking for ways to earn beyond your job. The third and biggest mistake lying is fear of investing. Many people avoid investing because they think it's risky. But here's the truth. Not investing is even riskier. Inflation eats away at your savings, and keeping money in a bank won't make you rich. The wealthiest people educate themselves, take calculated risks, and let their money grow over time. You don't need to be a financial expert. Just start small, learn as you go, and be consistent. So, if you want to break out of financial struggles, avoid these three mistakes. Start managing your money, create multiple income streams, and learn how to invest wisely. Which of these mistakes do you think is holding people back the most? Comment below.